Welcome to the Mixed Lovelies and Friends. And on this beautiful morning, we have Marcia. Well, Marcia is speaking about something that you guys would need to go and catch to hear what she has to say. And guys, remember to hit like, share, and comment, and hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my subscribers, I wish you a wonderful day. Now, this is for you. Get up. Keep your head high. Always in the sky. Remember, the sky is the limit. But if you can go beyond that, go beyond. And remember to always keep things in perspective and live your life the way you feel pleased to live it. Do not let circumstances overthrow you, but you overthrow those circumstances. Live your life, no? Laugh and be pleased with whatever you do in your life because at the end of the day, you're the one that's living it. Have yourselves a wonderful rest of the day.
Me make sure say tomorrow me buy one phone card and so me can call the Jamaican government tomorrow. Panar. Because this a woman here mad to blood clot. He look like him block me from my life. Cause me just go over there and hear her over there. I say me I work with mafia. And a mafia for me I say mafia for come off for her. And all kind of something. No. Eh? Nobody not threaten the woman. Eh? Nobody not threaten her. Me tell she did put out the people information. And me tell her, me say, make she go and put out the people information, a prominent people them here. So make she go mess with the people them. Me never said nothing about mafia and nobody like that. You understand? And she out there I expose information wherever she get information from. Me tell her say she can't go and wherever she get it from. All of a sudden she over there a chat talk and a fuck your people here. So she'll call the NYPD and she could call this and she could call that. And I mean she call it pan. Me no have no criminal record upon me. She have to go come good and proper with whatever. She might have get herself in some rash trouble. If come fi harass me. And me in my house and she come a screenshot things and I put out on social media. You might get yourself in some rash trouble. Eh? Me don't know she see me in our house and see some certificate pan. Me did there with my phone, so I catch pan some certificate. So she screenshot it and I Google up things. And I put out things. Where she not have no right for but she a screenshot and I put out. Where she have right? Anybody and her in a she and the man in a problem? Where you a screenshot and I put out for? Move go suck your blood clot the pitney them. And move from here. Your old cranny blood clot. But you call police. Move yourself and go move yourself from here. And go clean up your dirty hurricane house. What coupon you? Idiot. You don't even know if it chat. But you get screenshot and somebody threatening you. Coupon you. Eh? As somebody I look for sorry for you, go look at work. I go sell your pussy, bitch. But you call police pan who and call police pan with screenshot. Move yourself. You think you're foreign people. Are intelligent people you deal with. With the little idiotness. And go sit down and go look at blood clot work. And go volunteer and clean up Jamaica. You're hacking like a deranged blood clot alligator. With your fuckery. And the fucking people over there are going with your foolishness. You might get yourself in some rash trouble. You dirty pussy all you. But you over there, but you going in about your call police and you could do this and whatever somebody threaten you. Come with it. Come with it. Come over my page, come see when anybody threaten you. You stupid old bitch. You are the one who come in a people house, come scream, shot, thing and I put out pan here. Go suck yourself, dirty woman. You fucking piece of dirty drunk or slut. Bitch ass negro woman. Move your pussy clot from you. And go suck out my body hole. You bumbo clot you. Eh? Go look contents. Go look contents. Your pussy clot, idiot woman. Go look blood clot content. You never see come see blood clot dirty woman. Go call police for who? Are you coming at people yard come scream shot thing and I put out? Move your pussy clot from ya. Eh? How afraid are you? Call what kind of police and call what kind of go. Move yourself from here and move up. Come show a scream shot where whatever. About you call people mafia and this. I wish they were a mafia. I wish they were. Where you coming at people blood clot house about your scream shot things for? I blogging that? Go sit your ugly pussy clot down, you bitch. You stinking blood clot nasty whore. Bright and hot harder. But you over there go, you mad pussy clot. Go look a psychiatrist for your mad blood clot drug addict self. You must have take some blood clot coke up a Portland, make you behave so. Move your dirty bumbo clot from you. You're crying in a blood clot. How the fuck people over there listen to you? You're deranged. You're delusional. You're mad blood clot head sick no good. Call who for police and tell police what? Go call police and tell police no lie. Are you coming at people's house where you put all people information for? Them and you in a nothing. Go suck your pussy whole self. Your whole alligator. You're tough no blood clot with your chronic skin. You smell like a blood clot chinker and crablouse. Cup on you. Move up. And go blood clot volunteer for help your country. You ugly blood clot woman. Eh? Who you think you're talking to? You think you can call police and tell police say what? Eh? Are you come up here come violate people's privacy? Anybody, how much time you watch people on social media and them show house and have pictures on wall and certificate on wall. Where you about to screenshot something for? Move up. You're underprivileged goat. Move up yourself. You're dunce blood clot you. Who you think you can call? You think you can call New York City police and tell them what? Tell them what? Make one blood clot police come at me, Erica. Call police if foolish. Make one blood clot police come at this house. When she part me there. Make one blood clot police come at Erica. May I tell you straight up. Make one police come for foolishness, for Facebook foolishness. Go sit your nasty looking pussy clot down with your idiot self. You jealous bitch. And you have a 6-bedroom house at Jamaica and 4-bedroom house, say blood clot jealous of me. Then set you upon me. Me no love woman. Me no name pussy bitch. Me a strictly dickly. Me just come off of the phone, my man, a while ago. Move your bumbo clot and stop loss off of me. You go to bed with me and you wake up with me. Move up. And go suck out your nasty pussy all dirty followers. Then we influence you with the fuckery. And move up yourself from here so before you get yourself in some blood clot trouble. You think so because you're there Jamaica you can't get in that trouble. Move up. We little bitch ass jealous followers them. We jealous off of me. And them are the one who have a big house and big car. Now me homeless, I have homeless man and janitor man. Move up your dirty blood clot you. You're nobody. Eh? What happened? You not collect no money? Your bitch ass people and where you pay them to gain the money? With them broke ourself? Them not pay this weekend. Cause you look like somebody getting a blood clot pay. Them not pay you. Eh? Them not pay you. Eh? You're behaving like a non-emancipated blood clot orangutan. Eh? You want make sense? We are chat? Fuck off. You want make sense? You making any blood clot sense, bitch ass woman? You making any sense? You come on social media a scandal and a cause problem? When I you did a screenshot and a do all kind of fuckery? Eh? Me in my room. Me have my phone and me I do my little phone and phone catch picture frame or catch or whatever. Who are you if you come out here screenshot? Go sit your nasty rascal self down, you bitch. Eh? You want people in a war? Go sit down before you get your blood clot self in a trouble. Cause any at all make no false report and me show the people them how you dep on social media behave and interfere and whatever. Call what kind of whatever. Move up and go help clean up Jamaica and volunteer. And go find something do. And that you figure do. You didn't want to come pitch on these 10 people. But me a go down way. Me a law-abiding citizen. Me doing my job and treating the man well. Me half work now. My work finish from 9 o'clock. Who you talking to? Me a law-abiding citizen. Me check out by the FBI. When me go to the airport, me not even get searched like that. So me check out by America. Me pay my money and get special line. Me going now when me go to JFK airport. Who you going to call police pan? Them check me out. A special line me going now. When me go in a airport and pay my money for that, go about your business. So me check out by the United States government. Go sit your blood clot self down and move up from yourself. You're bright. Go look other things for the get out of hand now. With your jealousy and your fucking greedy for money. Go sell your pussy, bitch. Go put some Vaseline and some coconut oil in there and shove it in there if in the dry. Eh? That anything? Eh? Wait, you come up here and a screenshot. How a screenshot thing I put it out? Anybody put out anything? Did I ever come out here and call him a name? Did I ever come out here and call address? Eh? No video, no evidence out here. No evidence on this platform that I ever come call my name. More than the phone catch the certificate them on the wall when me did this, so sit down. I do my makeup and whatever and I do my life. You are the one who come in here about your screenshot. Go screenshot your dirty pussy bitch and put it up on social media. If your skin sorry, your pussy sorry. Go scream out your dirty pussy hole and go put it up on social media. Your dark shit, yo. And that if you go do. Both your call NYPD because people family threaten you because family a mob because them are Italian. Go sit your blood clot self down and go look contents. And go along a seaside go catch your fucking fish them where you catch. And that if you go do. You idiot woman. Me no know where this a mad blood clot sick of the woman that takes it for me for. Move up. I rebuke you, your blood clot demon. You's a demon from the pit of hell. The blood of Jesus is against you. You's a demon. Demon don't like people who talk about God. And no matter how me cuss, me still talk about God said we. Demon don't like anybody who talk about God. You's a demon from the pit of hell. You need somebody to blood you up with the blood of Jesus. The prayer warrior, and you have to take that little old serpent there for me. Where the prayer warrior them there? Me need help. Take this blood clot piece of serpent off of me. Me need help. Me can't manage her. With a spirit here. Because it make me frustrated. I'm not supposed to be frustrated. I am very contented and happy within myself. The only time me come out here and frustrated myself with this little demon. Where the prayer warrior them there?